Unlocking the future, exploring the Oppo Find X7 Ultra. In the dynamic landscape of technology, smartphones have seamlessly integrated into our daily lives, serving as indispensable tools for communication, productivity, and entertainment. As the industry constantly evolves, smartphone manufacturers endeavor to push the boundaries, delivering cutting-edge innovations and features to meet the demands of tech-savvy consumers. In this era of innovation, Oppo has emerged as a trailblazer, known for its groundbreaking technology and sleek designs. The latest addition to its illustrious lineup, the Oppo Find X7 Ultra, sets a new standard in smartphone excellence, captivating users with its unparalleled performance and futuristic capabilities. Let's embark on a journey to unravel the marvels of the Oppo Find X7 Ultra and discover why it's poised to revolutionize the smartphone landscape. Unveiling the Oppo Find X7 Ultra, a masterpiece of engineering. Announced on January 8, 2024, and swiftly released thereafter, the Oppo Find X7 Ultra has taken the tech world by storm. This flagship device embodies the pinnacle of innovation, boasting an array of top-tier features and specifications that elevate the smartphone experience to new heights. Performance. Powered by the latest Android 14 and ColorOS 14, the Oppo Find X7 Ultra delivers a seamless and intuitive user interface. However, its true brilliance lies in its powerhouse platform, the Qualcomm SM86650AB Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 4nm chipset. This state-of-the-art processor ensures unrivaled performance, enabling seamless multitasking, streaming, and gaming with unparalleled efficiency. Memory, the Oppo Find X7 Ultra offers versatility in abundance with 3 storage variants, 256GB with 12GB RAM, 256GB with 16GB RAM, and 512GB with 16GB RAM. Utilizing UFS 4.0 technology, this device delivers lightning-fast read and write speeds, facilitating seamless storage and retrieval of all your essential files, photos, and videos. Display. Prepare to be mesmerized by the Oppo Find X7 Ultra's captivating 6.82-inch LTPO AMOLED display, boasting 1B colors. With a buttery-smooth 120Hz refresh rate, Dolby Vision, HDR10+, and a peak brightness of 4500 nits, this device offers a visual feast of vibrant colors and lifelike imagery. Protected by Corning Gorilla Glass Victus 2, it ensures durability and resilience against everyday wear and tear, allowing you to indulge in your favorite content with peace of mind. Design. Beyond its formidable performance, the Oppo Find X7 Ultra captivates with its sleek and stylish design. With dimensions of 164.3 x 76.2 x 9.5mm and a weight of 220 mg, it strikes the perfect balance between elegance and ergonomics. Crafted from Gorilla Glass Victus 2 and aluminum, it exudes premium craftsmanship and durability, while the eco-leather back option offers an eco-conscious alternative for the environmentally conscious. Camera system. Elevating the art of smartphone photography, the Oppo Find X7 Ultra features a quad camera setup, developed in collaboration with renowned camera brand Hasselblad. Comprising 4 50MP cameras, including wide-angle, periscope telephoto, and ultra-wide lenses, it delivers unparalleled imaging prowess. With advanced features like multi-directional PDAF, laser AF, OIS, and Hasselblad color calibration, every shot is a masterpiece of clarity and vibrancy. Additionally, 10-bit video recording, Dolby Vision, and 2.8x optical zoom further enhance your creative capabilities, ensuring every moment is captured with breathtaking detail. Elevating selfies to new heights, perfecting the art of self-expression. The Oppo Find X7 Ultra isn't just about capturing the world, it's about capturing yourself in the best light possible. Featuring a 32MP front camera with PDAF and 4K video recording capabilities, it ensures your selfies are always on point, reflecting your unique style and personality. Battery. Equipped with a robust $5,000 Donage non-removable battery, The Oppo Find X7 Ultra offers enduring power that keeps pace with your dynamic lifestyle. With 100W wired charging, you can replenish 50% of the battery in just 10 minutes and achieve a full charge in a mere 26 minutes. Additionally, 50W wireless charging and 10W reverse wireless charging offer added convenience and versatility, ensuring you stay connected and productive throughout the day. Connectivity. The Oppo Find X7 Ultra leaves no stone unturned when it comes to connectivity, offering a comprehensive suite of options including Wi-Fi 802.111, ABGN AC 6E7, Bluetooth 5.4, GPS, NFC, and USB Type-C 3.2. With support for 5G technology, you can revel in lightning-fast internet speeds, enabling seamless streaming, gaming, and browsing. Conclusion. In addition to its stellar features and specifications, the Oppo Find X7 Ultra boasts an array of sensors including a fingerprint sensor, accelerometer, gyro, proximity, compass, and color spectrum. However, its most groundbreaking feature is that it provides additional security to users by sending emergency SOS messages and calls via satellite.